Hey, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video we're going to do one of the best ab exercises, the hanging leg raises. Now, the hanging leg raises is actually the king ab exercise, and that's great for developing your lower abs as well as developing your grip strength all in one exercise. Now you can use different progressions for this one. The easiest one is going to be hanging knee raises, the second hardest one is going to be hanging leg raises, and the hardest one is going to be toes to bar. And with all of these you can incorporate a slight twist at the end, and that's going to target more the obliques, and that's going to make the exercise a little bit harder. Now enough talk, and let's dive straight into the videos.
So the first thing is to tuck your hips in underneath so that you form a hollow body position and that you have no arch in the lower back. And from this position you can start performing the reps. So the main thing to focus on here is to simply pull your knees to your chest and pull them as high as you can and squeeze as hard as you can at the very top of the movement. And you want to focus on making this a slow, controlled and steady movement and minimize any swinging or rocking back and forward. As mentioned before, you can perform this with a twist at the end of the movement to activate the obliques as well. So the next progression is going to be hanging leg raises, which is the same as before, but on here we extend the legs fully, and thus it's going to be slightly more challenging for you as well. And try to really get a good pause and a squeeze at the top of the movement. So right when your legs are straight, you want to really lift as hard as you can to get the most activation from your abs. And once again, in this one you want to make sure it's a nice controlled and steady movement with constant tension in the abs to get the most out of every single repetition. And for this one you can also perform a twist at the end to get the obliques more involved. And the last one is toes to bar, and for this one you really need to have proper hamstring flexibility. And a variation you can do for this one is to lift your toes outside of your hands to get your obliques more involved.
And that's it for the hanging leg raises. Now if you haven't already tried this, I really recommend you go and give this a try. It's an absolute awesome ab exercise and you're gonna get so much out of it. And that's it for this video, guys. If you liked the video, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy training.